magnificent Sears Tower, the tallest building in America. Relax and enjoy my guided tour. Yes, I am personally operating the controls of this highly sophisticated machine, one of 104 elevators in this building. The only one with an array of state-of-the-art cameras which will capture breathtaking views from all angles. Using my sharp technological mind, I really touch a button and...
Are we there?
Remain calm. I'm in complete control. Good grief, there's a view of Chicago you don't often see. Roger, or whatever your name is. Hang on, everybody! Ah, here we are, Chicago, and the perfect arrival of the Skydeck. Now enjoy your visit, and I'll see you on the way down.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Afternoon, we lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, we shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Today